Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate and use the hospital case list screen. The hospital case list screen serves as an overview of all cases in the hospital, enabling you to view, manage, maintain and track the status of patients during their admission. Additionally, you can add and edit cases, generate reports, communicate with patients, admit patients to beds, discharge them, add clinical notes, invoice patient cases, and perform other tasks. In this video, we will start on a hospital case list screen. Please note that currently the hospital case list screen is only available on the custom segment when the hospital case list tab is added. For more information on how to set up the custom segment, please refer to the navigation wheel settings user manual linked in this video's description. Filters allows you to filter and search for specific cases or filter the list with the desired information. Let's start by entering the patient's details in the relevant fields to filter. If known, you may enter the case details of the patient in its respective fields and by ticking or unticking the applicable checkboxes. Lastly, if known, enter the admission details as well as the discharge details. For a more in-depth explanation on the filter options, please refer to the How to Use the Hospital Case List Filters user manual linked in this video's description. There are several options available to utilize on the hospital case list, which we will go through. Click on the Add New button to create a new hospital case. Click on the Expand Widths button to auto-fit the column's widths to the information within all columns. Click on the Reset Widths button to restore the original widths after any modifications were done. Click on the Sort Columns button to sort the columns in the order that you desire. For more information regarding this, please refer to the How to Sort Columns on Reports and List Screens user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Choose Columns button to select the columns that will be displayed on the list. For more information regarding how the Choose Column feature works, please refer to the How to Choose Columns on Reports and List Screens user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Default Layout drop-down menu to select the type of layout that will be used for the screen. Next, there are sorting options available as well within each column. To sort the column from smallest to largest, click on a header once. Click on a header for a second time to sort the column from largest to smallest. And lastly, click on a header of the column a third time to reset. Click on any desired hospital case. Now, click on a Hospital Sidebar Expander. The Hospital Case List sidebar gives you access to more options on a specific case. For more information regarding the Hospital Case List sidebar, please refer to the Hospital Case List screen navigating the sidebar user manual linked in this video's description.